If anybody's going to look at getting into wide format, visiting an event like this really must be the first thing on the agenda for them to do. And whilst, yes, people will come to this show, they'll look to buy new kit, etc., actually this show is in the main about education.
Anytime you come to a show like Sign and Digital UK or any other sign show or graphic show, my recommendation would look at the website, check out all the people on basis of applications, and then make a short list for yourself. Where if you do a one-day show, take 5 or 6 short lists at 1 in the morning, and in the afternoon go exploring.
About 10 years ago, many of the digital printing companies that I used to visit would all have somewhere in their premises a flatbed printer with a dust sheet over it. And I'd say, why did you buy a flatbed printer? You've never been in wide format before. And they'd say, well, the rep told us it would be good for us. So they didn't really do their homework on it, and those machines were then sold second-hand and, you know, to somebody's good fortune elsewhere.
I think that for us, it's crucial to look for new applications, new niche markets. So one of the things we've been developing in the last years is wallpaper,
right?
Window blinds, sunshades, looking into totally new markets that are not out there. Sometimes industrial, sometimes very small. What is quite interesting to know is that we are all from a certain age, and let me be the one that says I'm the oldest one, but the new millenniums, the younger generations are looking at our industry totally different.
Yeah.
They're looking at wallpaper very differently. They're looking at our industry totally different. They don't buy from a sign shop. They buy from a website.
Yeah.
So HP has been developing a lot of the technologies like wall art, signage art, which are free technologies where web to print is free for people using an HP technology printer. These are the things that need to go.
In researching surface graphics for the Sign and Digital Explained series, I came across a sign maker that has built a B2C website that has, he linked it with Adobe stock images. Okay, so he got a partnership agreement with Adobe stock and has set up a wall mural business where they will allow the customer to come in, browse from over 5,000 images, select the one you want. If there's not one that you fancy, you can upload your own image, and they show you and walk you through how to do that. And then there's a checkout process. They'll deliver the prints to you, and then you'll either fit them yourselves or perhaps get a decorator in. What a piece of genius thinking that is, you know?
There's so many tools out there, and they really research it, that there's so many tools out there. Some of them are even free, that where you can set up a full web shop today, totally for free. Doesn't cost you anything. There's a lot in the public domain. Maybe it's not as scalable as you would like to have it in many years, but hey, make a profit today and scale it up while you're there.